What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. This video I want to show you how to calculate the pH change after we add 0.02 mole of NaOH to 1 liter of 0.1 molar of propanoic acid, which is HC3H5O2, and Ka is 1.3 times 10 to the power of negative 5. So what I can do, I can write the reaction. So we have the, first of all, before we add this NaOH, we calculated the pH in the other example. 0.1 molar of propanoic acid. The pH is going to be calculated using this formula. Acid plus water is going to give me hydronium ion plus the conjugate base. So we have 0.100 negative x, x and x. So for equilibrium we have 0.1 minus x, and here we have x and x. X times x divided by 0.1 minus x equals to Ka value, which is given, and then with simplification we can find x, and then based on that we can find pH. So pH was 2.96 before addition. So 2.96. Now let's see when we add 0.02 moles of NaOH, what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna write the acid-base reaction. Acid plus NaOH, since it's a strong base, it dissociates completely into its ions, so the concentration or the number of moles of hydroxide is gonna be 0.02. So acid plus 0.02 is gonna give me H2O plus the conjugate. And that's gonna give me, here we have 0.1, 0.02, and here we have 0 and 0. Don't worry about H2O because that's liquid. Here we have O. So we have negative x minus x plus x. So we have 0.1 minus x, 0.02 minus x, and here we have x. So since they react together, so this negative x is going to be 0.02, and this acid is going to neutralize hydroxide. So we have 0.1 minus 0.02, 0.02 minus 0.02, and here we produce 0.02. So it's going to be 0.08, 0.02. That's the concentration of the conjugate. So then I can say HC3H5O2 plus water is going to give me C3H5O2 minus plus hydronium ion. Then I'm going to write the ice table after the reaction, after neutralization. So after neutralization we have 0.08 acid, here we have 0.02, and here that's approximately 0. Why approximately? Because it's 10 to the power of negative 7. Change negative x plus x plus x, so we have 0.08 minus x, 0.02 plus x plus x. So Ka, which is 1.3 times 10 to the power of negative 5, equals to x times 0.02 plus x divided by 0.08 minus x. So these two cancel out. So x will be 0.08 times 1.3 times 10 to the power of negative 5 divided by 0.02. So that will be 5.2 times 10 to the power of negative 5, and pH is going to be negative log 5.2 times 10 to the power of negative 5, which will be 4.28. So as you see here, by adding this 0.02 mole of NaOH to this solution, pH is going to change from 2.96 all the way to 4.28. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.